Hello friends. So in this edition of Fellowship Varta, we have got Dr. Rajkumar Kulandai Sami. He is a postdoctoral fellow at Yale University. He has done his doctorate from AIIMS in Biophysics, and he is also recipient of the DST Award on Lindau Fellowship for meeting with Nobel laureate. Dr. Rajkumar, can you tell us a little more about Lindau program?
Oh, okay. Yeah. So we know that Lindau Nobel laureate meeting where Nobel laureate meet every year from the different field. So last year, 2023, the physiology medicine where we got an opportunity to meet the 40 Nobel laureate who have contributed major contribution in the physiology medicine. So when when we went to that meeting, it was really true inspiration. True inspiration means it kind of where you were studying books, those people you directly meet them, that kind of people we were meted. So what we learn from there, it kind of like how you have to passion about to the science, either your achievement have towards reached your goal or you got benefit or not, that is not at all matter. So how you passion about to science. So that was the home message we took from him, took from them. And second thing is networking. So the networking option means it almost 90 country people where they have a different culture and a different background. Those who are working in the physiology medicine, those people have a chance to meet them and exchange their experience and ideas, and as well as their professional things, everything. So that was the second point. We in the Linda we got exposure, and the third point, it has an opportunity for there was a Saitan project. Saitan project means which is kind of a people who have attended previously in the Linda. So those who have proposed some idea, then they come and present that idea in front of the all the Nobel laureate. So those kind of people also we are able to meet in like the Linda alumni people in the meeting. So that was the
Can we go
third.
slowly? Tell us
Okay.
more about the event. Like when you are meeting with Nobel laureate, what are the things you are learning, and
Okay.
how many countries are sending their part, participants or nominee, and what is the whole size of the event?
Okay. So yeah. So the event from India, like every year, they used to call in September. Okay. So this September when they are calling September, so usually every the selection process will go 6 months, and we get to know the result March. Then we travel June. So from India, when we went 2023, we went around 19 people. So the 19 people were selected from this year, and also 2020 there was a people who not able to attend the meeting because of the COVID. Those people also joined with us. So I went to one of the participant from India where the DST as a participant institution, selection institution. Then the it have a different program in the 6-day program where it started 24th June to 30th June, and the each day each participant can select the Nobel laureate can have with the breakfast and lunch and dinner, where we can exchange your experience and their listen to their experience, and as well as how they have reacted in the when they have a really have a problem or in science or
Yeah.
really have a
Dr. Rajkumar, I'm
yeah.
sorry to break you, but
Okay.
when you are selecting Nobel laureate, you are selecting as an individual or as an Indian group, or how you are selecting?
Okay. Yes. So that is a very interesting question. Basically, when you get a how many Nobel laureate is coming, so you know that who are all attending that one. So suppose I am working on biophysics aspect where they work on structure determination of like a who working crystallography and biophysics background and who work in cryo-electron. Like suppose there was a professor from NMR discovery, that professor who reached, and there is a Joachim Frank from cryo structural biology, and there are other people who are having structural biology. Based on the background, I selected the Nobel laureate, and then I attend the lectures and as well as the dinner with them to interact and also get inspiration from them.
Yeah, very good. So, friends, as Dr. Rajkumar has mentioned, the invite for participation in Lindau programs gets sometime around September, and the meeting is organized next year in June. And this is cyclic in order: 1 year physics, 1 year chemistry, and third year biology, physiology, medicine. So fourth year it is mixed. So participants are invited by Department of Science and Technology. Can you just comment on the composition of Indian delegation, like how many students from which group, like master, bachelor, doctoral, postdoctoral, faculty?
Yeah. So it's a thank you. So the thing is basically it have a three category when you apply when they release the notification for 2000, like in September if they are releasing, so it will have a three category. The category A is a MSc candidate who have MSc and little experience. Those people can apply, and a doctoral candidate and another postdoctoral candidate. So this is the lifetime one-time opportunity. Once you attend, you cannot go. You will not able to attend again if you are until you are a Nobel laureate. So okay. So and in from us we went around 19 people where they are representing the different part of the country. Like if you see that IIC and in Delhi AIIMS, then IIT Kharagpur, and all Mumbai, IIT Bombay, and there are some people from NCBS, and there are some people from ILS. So there are different where have India have a like top 10 institutes where they have bright, like means they have a very good profile and bright student
Yeah,
who want to.
yeah. Dr. Rajkumar, when you have said it is one-time opportunity, how do you maintain your contact subsequently? Do you have an alumni network, uh, or how do you sustain this relationship?
Okay, that's a very good. So basically, this meeting not only meet a global editor and share that. Also, it is a very good platform to establish the alumni network. So the Linda has a very good platform. Basically, those who are attended the every year Linda Nobel laureate, they had a platform Linda Alumni Network. So usually, if I attend that one, I will get a login for access, where I can find the people who has attended 2010 meeting also and future meeting also. So where I can able to access, and the connection can make through your area of research also. Suppose I'm working in the biophysics structural aspect, where the people I want to connect in which country, I can easily connect the like it kind of a LinkedIn network where the people have more connection with the like a Linda people who have attended the link. So this is the how we are maintaining the
So,
network.
friends, what Dr. Rajkumar is saying, that's one, the selection is quite stringent, and only the best young achievers are selected to participate in this meeting. But once you are selected, you are connected with similar people from around the world, and there is a huge network of earlier awardee and the current awardee. So you get a very long list of possible peers with whom you could collaborate, develop collaborations in time to come. So Lindau is a wonderful platform, not only for one-time activity, but also to develop collaboration, and looking forward for that. Dr. Rajkumar, may I
Yeah.
know what you are doing currently at Yale University, and how did you move from AIIMS to Yale?
Oh, that was a very good journey. Like so, basically, I started my bachelor's from Tamil Nadu and like a private college. Then I moved to Masters, Varta University. Then I came to Delhi for dissertation, National Institute of Immunology, where I got a exposure about structural biology. So then my focus was doing structural biology. Then I got a opportunity to in AIIMS to work on structural biology project, where I study how uh, uh, how the uh, how the translational reduce factor cleavage the protein with the MTB complex. So basically, I try to understand how structure function in the MTB-PTH complex. So in the peptide tRNA complex through the biochemical and structural study. So where I got a good exposure, like a kind of my PI had a support and also other as well as the AIIMS have a good infrastructure to establish people to expose many things. So there I got to know that that Linda notification came. Then I started applying, and then I came to Linda. That was things. So during throughout the period in the PhD time, I used to attend many conference, all the thing where I make a scientific network and enhance my work research. That research got published in different reputed international journals. Then that journal, that conference and the idea things, everything, it derived me that where what I want to work it. So then from there I decided to work on virology, where I can study about virus, how particular RNA molecule behaving in viral infection. For that, so after completing my PhD in 2023, I look at that profile in Yale who are working in similar kind of field. So then I proposed the idea. This is my approach to your lab. So like that. So then they were quite impressed about my idea. Then we I joined it 2023 as a postdoc in Professor John Stice lab in molecular biophysics and biochemistry, who is the pioneer of the RNA biology. So this is the how I started my career, and I ended up in the Yale University.
Well, wonderful journey. So, friends, coming back to Lindau, is a unique platform, provides you a good opportunity, and there are many platforms like that. Department of Science and Technology also takes Indian students, researchers, and young faculty to BRICS Young Scientists Meeting, Shanghai Cooperation Organization Young Scientists Meeting, and Hope Meeting, Asian Science Camp. So each of them, of course, is a one-time opportunity, but it provides you connections for a very, very long term. So thank you, Dr. Rajkumar, for your conversation this morning. Wonderful talking to you.
Yeah, thank you so much.